Welcome to Sakmods. This time I've got a couple of 58mm red Alox builds here. This one has 65mm tools in it from the pocket tool chest. We'll go ahead and get started on this one. Got the cuticle pusher. The file. The combo tool from the 65mm pocket tool chest. This has got the flathead tip. And the scissor. Now we'll move to the other side here. We've got the inline awl from the 65mm pocket tool chest. The small Warncliffe blade. I skipped over that one. Got the pin blade. The hook blade or orange pillar. The ruler with the small slotted tip screwdriver there. And then the fine slotted tip screwdriver from the 65mm pocket tool chest there. This other build is basically just a Rambler with the red Alox scales. So you have the combo tool there, the cap lifter, wire stripper, and the Phillips screwdriver head there. The pin blade. The file with the slotted tip screwdriver there. And of course the scissor. That is going to do it for this video here. If you guys liked it, please like and subscribe. It helps out a lot. And thank you for watching.